Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1974 Plymouth Duster. This is a factory L-Code 360 high performance car. It now has it's a 360 block, but it's actually stroked out to a 408, 4-speed manual trans. It's a little bit of a hot rod, guys. Kind of a neat history behind this car. My buddy Scott down in Tennessee is the one that got me this car. He actually knows quite a bit of history on this car. This car was a local car to him that was done several years ago. Unfortunately, the guy who originally built it has passed away. It changed hands, and there's been a lot of little upgrades to this car, I guess is what you'd say. But the original restoration was actually done years ago in the Nashville area. Factory color combination. It's yellow blaze. Put a really good looking set of American racing wheels on it. It's got Toyo rubber all the way around it. It was a factory 3-speed car that has now been converted to a 4-speed manual trans. You can see it's got the dual snorkel hood. Again, few little things you can kind of pick at on it. A couple little touch-up marks, some little things like that, but still very nice car. It's a little bit of a hot rod. It doesn't sound real radical, but I guess this thing runs really strong. Good looking color combination. Like I say, if you're looking for something to kind of bang the gears and have fun, I think you'll have a blast with this car. I apologize about the dust on it. The guys have been waiting on me to get this thing shot, and we just keep getting sidetracked. Car sits good, nice and straight down the sides. Again, killer little set of wheels on it. And it is a fun, that's just dust, guys. Fun car to run through the gears, guys. Again, it was a factory L-Code 360 car. And it has a 360 block, but it's actually a stroker engine now. Front disc brakes with slotted and drilled rotors. It's got a quick fuel brawler 4-barrel on it. Aluminum Edelbrock intake, aluminum heads, got headers. Does have electronic ignition. Headers. Manual steering with power. Again, front disc brakes. Original 3-speed car that was converted to a 4-speed manual trans. They've also converted the car to the big bolt pattern all the way around it. Trim tag. It's a good looking set of American racing wheels. That's a bug on there that we missed. Door tag. It's got the stock bench seat in it, but it has, they've done a little insert in there, the cloth insert. Good looking sports steering wheel. Headliner looks good. Showing 38,338. Like I say, we don't know. I'm sure that's 138 on it. We don't know the mileage on the rest of it. We do know, like I say, the car was just freshened up. We know the transmission is brand spanking new with a Centerforce clutch. They just went through the rear axle. It's 355 sure grip. It's got an H-pipe dual exhaust system on it. Factory jack, spares in here. Cover goes with it. I think that's just some Chrysler advertising. It's all body color here in the trunk. It's all body color. Fun car, man. As always, there's photos of the cars on our website. Definitely encouraging everybody to do that. When you're seeing a car online, don't trust the source you're on. Make sure you go to southernmotors.com, just like it sounds and spelled just like that. A lot of scams going on right now. Matter of fact, the best thing you could probably do is pick up the phone and give us a call at 248-620-3355. That way you know you're talking to us. Factory AM FM radio, aftermarket tach, engages. There is a lock for the wheels. It's in the glove box, guys. Go ahead, Nathan, sorry. That's just that little thing rattling there. You're hearing that. It's just that little thing rattling a little bit. Like I say, car runs strong. Nice little cam to it. Got real good sound. Tach works, door buzzer works. Fuel gauge and alternator gauge are up there. I think the other gauges are down below. Backup lights work. You can see how it gets its R's real quick. This thing, they say it really scoots. I can't say that I jumped on it, just kind of drove it, but good old pressure. Factory radio works. Blower motor does work, guys. Oh, we got to check the wipers. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Great way to keep track of us.